probably why.
Dude, I had it like a...
Oh, maybe I just...
Oh, it didn't do that much.
You'll have this in the back.
I went to this town in Australia that's all built underground. They don't live above ground because it's too hot, so they're all in these underground things.
Where was this?
Cooper Beauty.
Way out there in the ocean. Just...
Give me some... No, I'm like so sober though.
Look at...
Oh shit!
Oh shit! Whoa! Nice!
Oh, yeah, you got the hole. I smells like marijuana.
Oh!
Take me home. Leave them here.
Oh shit!
Grab her legs. I'll grab her head.
Push the chair in, it's waterproof.
I'm not going to use a chair to protect myself.
She's doing it. I was giving her the phone.
Okay, ready? I know, because I will hurt you.
Grab a leg, grab a leg.